Okay, we're ready to put the, it's 220 on the thermometer and it's sheeting off, so we're gonna put it in the jars now. You need some kind of easy thing to pour with. So.
First jar. There it goes.
There's the first jar. Let me fill it more than one.
And after we put it in the jars, you have to put your lids on that have been boiling in the pan. Oops.
So I will do that because you want to do them. Wipe off the top of the lid. Make sure, shake the water off of your lid and put it on there. And then
Jars are real hot.
Yeah, you have to hold something to the jar.
There they are.
All this, you have to be very careful so you don't get burned.
Now, there's two. Okay. And what goes good
Here's
with
the
that muscadine?
finished product.
And what goes good with muscadine jam?
Then you can make some biscuits and butter and jam, or pancakes, or it'd be good on pound cake too.
Okay.
Or
So
whatever you like. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you try it and it jiggles. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.